Flashing, Tom.
I'm flashing.
Am I flashing?
You are flashing. Oh.
I can see my reflection.
Stop flashing at me!
Get in trouble for that. There you go. Here we have the Twat squad. Oh yeah, there's Claude. Got Steve here. Thomas. Thomas need a bit more hop.
Oh, you're saying things.
I was introducing you. You've ruined it now. I'll have to do it again.
Try again.
There's Tom. Quick cut. Tom. Tom's here. Steve. Claude. You're also confident.
Right. Have a highly reflective patch on you.
Yeah, that's so they can see me. Otherwise, it's unfair. Yeah. That's why I got to have a red flashing light on my head as well. Otherwise, just don't stand a chance. We got Noodles over there. Some of you may remember him from a few weeks ago. He's ready in 3 minutes. His Noodles. Just add water. So where are we attacking from?
They're all in the town there, so we just...
Okay. We're all up on that. So let's not run that way then. Let's run this way. This away. That away. In fact, we need to stay with the birthday girl, don't we? Oh, we got new stuff. New stuff.
Are you ready?
Yes! Birthday boy! Whoop. There's one more on the roof up there. Hit! Anyway, I'll follow you. Nope. One on the roof, near roof.
There's one, right, you know the water tower?
The what?
You know the water tower?
Yeah.
You know the left window, there's two, right? You know the left one near the door?
Yeah.
There's one on the window through there.
Yeah, I see him. Not anymore. One in the embassy window, far right. Nice. Oh. We want to get some ground, don't we? Oh, we've got boys on the right moving up. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Let's come out the back and round though, rather than out that door. Right. Hello, Sam. Nice to see you, sir. Right. window opposite. Next building up. Oh, I'm fine. Can't see it. Hit! Hello, Steve. Whoa. No, you can't go through the hedge line. What would? Hit! That was friendly. Oh, the tree.
Sounds like game.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, swap sides, guys.
Alright, let's defend.